Canada is planning to buy 12 new submarines. These submarines are very special. They are designed to be very quiet and hard to detect, perfect for missions where stealth is important. The Canadian government wants to use these submarines to protect its waters and monitor the Arctic. These submarines will boost Canada's navy, allowing effective coastline patrol. The Arctic is becoming more important. Melting ice opens new shipping routes. Canada wants to protect its interests. Equipped with advanced technology, they can stay underwater for a long time, traveling long distances undetected, armed with torpedoes and missiles, a serious deterrent to threats. This shows Canada is serious about defense, investing in military capabilities, important in a world of many threats. Submarines are like underwater ninjas. They are designed to be as quiet as possible. This makes it very hard for enemies to find them. Submarines use sonar to see underwater. Sonar sends out sound waves and listens for echoes. Analyzing echoes creates a picture of surroundings. Modern submarines are very advanced. They can stay submerged for months. Special systems make oxygen and clean water. They operate independently for long periods. This makes them hard to track and intercept. Submarines gather intelligence and launch surprise attacks. In war, they are effective weapons. They patrol disputed waters and deter aggression. Their presence stabilizes situations. Submarines are valuable for peace and security. Russia has been paying close attention to Canada's plans to buy new submarines. Russia is also a major Arctic power. It has a long coastline along the Arctic Ocean. Russia is concerned that Canada's new submarines could be used to spy on its activities in the Arctic. Russia has been increasing its military presence in the Arctic in recent years. It has built new military bases and deployed new weapon systems to the region. Russia sees the Arctic as a strategically important region. It is rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals. Russia has expressed its concerns about Canada's submarine program. It has said that these submarines could upset the balance of power in the Arctic. Russia has also accused Canada of being part of a NATO effort to contain Russia. Canada has defended its decision to buy new submarines. It has said that the submarines are necessary to protect its sovereignty and interests. Canada has also said that the submarines will not be used to threaten Russia. Section 4. A show of force. Russia has been conducting large-scale naval exercises in recent years. These exercises have involved warships, submarines, and aircraft. The exercises have been conducted in the Arctic, the Atlantic, and the Pacific. Russia has said that these exercises are necessary to maintain its military readiness. Some analysts believe that Russia's naval exercises are a way of sending a message to the West. They say that Russia is trying to show that it is a major military power and that it is prepared to defend its interests. The exercises have also been seen as a way for Russia to test its new weapon systems. The increase in military activity in the Arctic has raised concerns about the risk of conflict. Some experts believe that the Arctic could become a flashpoint for conflict between Russia and the West. They say that the competition for resources and influence in the region could lead to tensions. Section 5. The Arctic, a region on edge. The Arctic is a region of growing strategic importance. The melting of the ice is opening up new shipping routes and making it easier to access natural resources. This has led to increased interest in the region from countries like Canada, Russia, the United States, and China. The Arctic is also home to important fishing grounds and shipping lanes. As the ice melts, these areas are becoming more accessible. This is leading to increased competition for these resources. The Arctic is a challenging environment to operate in. The weather conditions can be extreme, with freezing temperatures, strong winds, and long periods of darkness. This makes it difficult to conduct military operations in the region. The increasing militarization of the Arctic is a worrying trend. It is important for all countries involved to exercise restraint and to work together to manage tensions. The Arctic should be a zone of peace and cooperation, not conflict.